Ladies and gentlemen, we have, I think it's the luckiest of lucky dips. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. This is our Cyber Monday Super Special.
It is.
Yeah.
It's going to be the afternoon, not the morning, but that's not what we planned, but that's okay.
That's life.
That is.
What do you do? What are we looking at?
We are looking at a box of, what do we call these? They're not rejects. They're not... These are ones that, as we go through and we get stuff for customers and we pick it out, quite often, not quite often, I'm exaggerating there, but sometimes they might have a spot on them, they might have a mark on them.
Milk spotted or a little scratch or something.
Capsule might have a bit of a scratch on it, or the face of the coin might have a scratch on it, or it could be a whole variety of different reasons why we might reject them.
Yep.
They are still all 4/9 pure silver, weighing the correct amount.
Now, these aren't buybacks.
These are mostly not buybacks.
Yeah.
I wouldn't swear that every single one of them is a brand new.
Yeah. That's like 99% probably, though.
I'd say at least 99% of them are going to be brand new ones. But they've just, and I'm going to dip in and see if I can find one.
Pick that. Get that. I saw the thing, the stuff on the back of that one. So this was a 20. This was, and it is a 2021. Yeah, you can see right
marking
there.
Around there.
It was probably one of the last ones in the tube, or it was rubbing against another one. So you can see there. So obviously we didn't want to give it out as brand new when the person purchased one brand new, because it's you can see the reason why. So we've had these they've been stacking up over the time.
They have
until the day we thought, hey, let's get rid of them all in one go.
So we're going to do a Cyber Monday special.
Yep.
We've got to emphasise, you can study those pictures all you like that we've just taken.
Yep.
We're not guaranteeing you're going to get anything. We don't even suggesting you request. This is purely a lucky dip.
That's why we put it in this bucket. What's actually going to happen is you're going to purchase, and it's going to be limited to one per customer. The person who's picking these for the orders is literally going to go like this, close their eyes, and just go bang, and that's it. They're going to dump their hand in and pick up the first one. You do not get to choose which one. No. Please don't make a request for one.
So assume you're going to get a mouldy, terrible condition, horrible coin that looks terrible and is possibly just a cheap old kangaroo. And that way you can't be disappointed.
Yeah, or you might be there's a fair selection here. Again, you cannot request them, and please don't request because you won't get it anyway. But I can see Maples, I can see that rectangular dragon, I can see Robin Hoods, I can see Darth Vaders, I can see Britannias, there's Philharmonics.
It's like Romper Room.
I know, I see Jane, I see Michael, I see Joe. That's a Romper Room, the younger ones won't get that.
YouTube it.
Yeah, YouTube it. You'll find out what it is. And so there's a lot of cool stuff in there. Again, maybe a little bit scratchy, a little bit, milk spotted or whatever. But it's a lucky dip. Now, to sweeten the pot.
I haven't told them the price yet.
Oh, I got to tell them the price.
Got to tell them the price.
They've already seen the website. But
okay. So we're doing them at spot plus $3.
$3,000. Spot plus $3. It is limited to one per customer.
It is.
Don't get in the system and make a mountain of different...
No, the standard fair play policy that we talk about. So we're doing this to spread the love around a bit because, let's face it, spot plus $3 for brand new coins, even with a milk spot on them. Yeah. If you're going to get even a kangaroo at spot plus $3, I mean, that's
true.
Better than my wholesale price. So,
absolutely
like, you could end up with a kangaroo, you could end up with a maple or a filly there's a wedge-tail eagle sitting there. Yeah. All those sorts of things. So spot plus $3, assume it's going to be dodgy, but you might get something far better. And
we're going to add a what would you call it, the silver ticket, the Willy Wonka silver, I got a silver ticket.
I think we've blown every copyright there.
Yeah, that's right. So what are we looking at? We're going to add 3 little sweeteners to the pot, and you may get it. What is it?
So these are 3 2-ounce coins. So one is a Queen's Beast Greyhound.
Yep.
One is a completer.
A 2-ounce completer coin. Hang on, let me get the thing. Yep.
Sorry.
Yep.
And the other one is a mother and baby platypus from the Perth Mint.
Now we're putting them in these 2-ounce coins in there, and that is going to be, well, for want of a better word, shooken up, but not shooken up.
Is that a word, shooken?
Sure, let's go with that.
All right.
It's not shaked. And so...
Shaken, I think, was the word you were
Oh,
looking
yeah,
for.
cool. Shaken up. Shooken, shaken. Go for it. And so we're going to literally reach in and pick it. So you might be one of the 3 lucky people that get a 2-ounce silver coin instead of a 1-ounce silver coin for spot for a 1-ounce price of only $3 over.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Bargain.
Bargain. So there's 200 and something coins in there. That's why we're limiting it to 1 per customer only, just to spread the love around. Because if we had to put, free for all, it would literally be gone in 3 minutes.
Yeah, if that.
Yeah, exactly. What else do they need to know?
That's pretty much it.
Cool. All right. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You're already on the specific page. I can tell you're probably already purchased yours.
I was going to say, you realise no one's watching.
Yeah,
to this
no one's
point.
watching.
They've all gone.
We could say whatever we wanted. Purple Monkey Dishwasher.
That's
all
the
right. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a happy Cyber Monday. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
I'll see you soon.
See ya.